Alright, let's make the drawing for the hanger jaw. You're going to go again here to File, New Drawing from Design. Make sure you have your right sheet size. I'm going with a B. Everything here looks good. I'm going to hit OK. And once this comes in, you can change your scale. Just drop that in, hit OK. Go up here to Projected View. Click this view, move up for your top view. Come over for your right side and over for your isometric. Right click and then left click OK. And then I would right click this, Edit View. And then change it to shaded, close it, and then once you have everything in place, go to here for your center marks, and here and here, finish that. And your dimension command is going to be here. I think I already have this one drawn. So again, you're going to finish with your dimension command, adding dimensions here. And remember, you come over here and just double click the text here and change the project and the title. And that should do it for the drawing for the hanger jaw.